Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Today's topic is about writing the paragraph. So let's have a look. What are the paragraphs? A paragraph is a collection of related sentences dealing with a single topic. If we have a single topic of writing, so we are forming paragraph about that topic. So this paragraph can be formed with these sentences, but these sentences should be related to each other. To be as effective as possible, a paragraph should contain. To become an effective writer, we should always follow the four important things in our sentence writing or in our paragraph writing. First is unity, then coherence, then a topic sentence, and then adequate development. And if we use all these traits by writing our paragraphs and by writing for individual purposes, we can be able to construct an effective paragraph. First of all, we need a unity. By unity, we can understand that united something. And an entire paragraph should concern itself with a single focus. We are given with a single topic, so our focus should be single, that our information should not be scattered from one point to another or another point to another. All the information, all the sentences should be focused on the topic of writing. The second point in unity is that it should start or it should begin with a major point of discussion. If we are given some point of discussion, if we are given with some important topic to write about, so all the discussion, all the writing points should refer to that major point of writing, to that topic of discussion, and it should not be scattered, and no need to provide those unnecessary information which are not relevant to the topic. It should not be like wandering within different ideas. Normally, when we are practicing fluent writing, we wander from one thing to another and another thing to another. This is not a very good idea for writing skills, because we are given with a specific topic or title, so we need to be focused with that, and we should not need to wander from idea to idea, but we just need to be focused. So this can ensure the unity in your paragraph. When your paragraph is concerned with your main focus or with your topic, and when you are stick to the point of discussion, and when your sentences are in order and you are not wandering from one point to another or another point to another. Okay, coherence. How to give coherence in your paragraph? That is one of the most important element in your writing skills. The coherence is a trait that makes the paragraph easily understandable to the reader. In coherence, if the paragraph, obviously we are writing for the readers. So our basic purpose is to make the readers understand the topic to which we are writing. So the coherence can be achieved to make it understandable for the readers. So coherence can be maintained in the paragraphs by two things. One is the logical bridges and another is verbal bridges. These logical bridges are when the same idea of topic is carried over from sentence to sentence. If we are given with a single idea or a single topic, so in each of sentence must should create according to the main point or according to the point of discussion. So if we are creating one sentence and second sentence and the third sentence, so for first, second and third sentences should be unified and the ideas should be same in all the sentences. So successive sentences can be constructed in parallel. If all these sentences are successive, in first sentence you are presenting the same idea about the topic, then your second sentence support your first sentence, then your third sentence support your second or first sentence, then you will be parallel in your writing skills and you will be logical in your writing skills. Okay, what are the verbal bridges that we are using in our writing skills? The keyword can be repeated in several sentences. Like there is a key idea, any specific topic we are given to write about, so there should be keywords about that specific topic. For example, we are writing about the current practices, the current online practices of education. So this online practice of education should be the keyword for us, and you need to use it again and again in your topic. So if you are using any keyword relevant to your topic, you have to repeat it over and over in your writing skills. The synonyms can be repeated in several sentences. If we are given with you have one idea in your mind, you have one word in your mind, and you are going to another sentence and you are presenting the same thing by using same words. So you have to think about the other relevant, the close word to this sentence, or think about the synonym of that sentence and use that close synonym in your sentence rather than to use the same word. Okay, pronouns can refer to the noun in previous sentences. This is a smart way to writing, that don't use the noun again and again. But if you are using noun in the start of your sentence, then you use pronoun in the coming sentences to refer back to your noun. The transition word can be used to link ideas from different sentences. For example, you are in a practice of a fluent writing and you need to join one sentence with other. So here transition words or transitional devices can help you. Transitional devices are however, whatever, whenever. These are the things that can help you to connect the paragraphs or connect the sentences with each other. So you have to use this transition that can give you a fuller impacts in your writing and that can connect the ideas with each other. One of the most important thing in your writing skill is your topic sentence. If you are able to define your whole of the paragraph, or whole of the idea, or whole of the topic in your topic sentence, if your topic sentence is a smarter one, then you will be able to produce a good paragraph and it will have a good impacts on the reader. How should be the topic sentence? A topic sentence is a sentence that indicates the general way, that idea of the thesis that paragraph is going to deal with. In your topic sentence, you are going to express the core of your topic, the essence of your topic, that what is it about. Okay, when you experience with the writing of a topic sentence can occur anywhere in the paragraph. If you are experienced writing, you can use or utilize this topic paragraph anywhere in your topic sentence, anywhere in your paragraph. You can use it in the beginning, you can use it in the end or in the middle of your paragraph. If you are an experienced writing, then you can know that how to fit a topic sentence and where to fit it. But if you are not an experienced writing, you are a beginner or you are not a skillful writer, then the easy way for you is to put this sentence near the beginning of the first paragraph. It might be your first sentence, second, or anywhere in the first paragraph of your topic you have to put it. And this is the good rule for the people who are less experienced in writing, that use your topic sentence in the beginning of the paragraph. Okay, the important feature that you need to utilize in your writing skill is that adequate development. A topic introduced by the topic sentence should be discussed fully and adequately. If you are writing about something that you need to provide full information about that topic, you have introduced your idea in your topic sentence. Now what you need to introduce the topic sentence or your topic fully. The purpose of writing should be considered as priority basis. You have to be focused on the purpose of writing, that why are you writing. If you are writing for examination purpose, you are writing for any blog, you are writing for any website, or whatever the purpose is, but you should focus on the purpose. If you should focus on the purpose of your writing, then you should be focused about your readers, that what sort of readers you are dealing with, and in this way you will be able to define the things according to the standard of your reader. The writer should avoid the writer short paragraph of 2 or 3 sentences. Normally we all have practice then when we are coming across with the lack of information, we use the short paragraphs of 1 and 2 lines, and we switch to another idea, and then another 2 lines and switch to another ideas. So these shorter paragraphs cannot convey the point of view of the writer to the reader, and somehow these shorter paragraphs, when these are not unified with the other paragraphs, so you can use these shorter paragraphs to convey one of the main and the unique idea of your whole of the essay or whole of the writing piece. But commonly this is not a good practice. to adopt during your writing. The short paragraph look like the paragraph that is not fully developed. When you are writing the short paragraph, that could not be connected to the latter paragraph or to the coming paragraph, so it cannot be fully developed. So avoid writing these short paragraphs, and your paragraphs must contain 7 to 8 or 9 lines, though, so they are the standard paragraphs. How the paragraph can be developed. In developing a paragraph, the writer usually begin with the topic sentence. As I have told you that we all are unskilled persons about writing, so we need to practice the topic sentence near the introduction of the paragraph. So the writer develops a main idea by series of related sentences. If you have written your topic sentences, now you make the series of sentences to support your topic sentence, and conclude with sentences that restate or summarizes the main ideas. When you are coming to the conclusion of your topic, you have to restate that main idea or your topic sentence in different words, and you have to summarize the whole idea about which you are writing. Let's see at the diagrams that how these things are developed. First of all, the first sentence is always a topic sentence for the normal writer. Development and series of related sentences, sentence 2, 3, 4. First sentence is topic sentence, then sentence 2 is supportive to the topic sentence, and sentence 3 is the same sentence, 4 is the same sentence, 5 or more sentences should support your topic sentence or your topic. Then the final sentence is the concluding sentence. So dear students, bear in mind that paragraph is more than a group of sentences. So the paragraph must be unified. It's mean that it must deal with one single idea, the main idea, and each sentence must be related to the main idea, and it must be coherent, that it must state the main idea clearly, and sentences that develop the main idea must be arranged according to some logical order. It should not be illogical. That can allow the reader to thought about this paragraph, and they should not stumble about the paragraph. So finally, a paragraph must be complete. It should develop the main idea fully enough so that the reader will understand that what you are writing about. Okay, how is it the way of writing that we used to write? That first of all, we all are using the topic sentence. Then our supporting sentences support the topic sentence. Sentence 1 support the topic sentence. Support 2 support the topic sentence. Sentence 3 and 4 and 5 and so on can support the topic sentence. And also remember that some of the sentences may support the topic sentence directly and some indirectly. So some sentences may be related to the preceding of supporting these sentences and providing examples, details, or further explanation of the topic sentence, but all these sentences must be related to the topic in some way and must refer back to the topic sentence. So this is the diagram that you can see that all the sentences are supporting your topic sentence. Now there is another way that how these how can be the logical order of sentences or making of paragraph. This is another example that is different from the previous one. In this you can see that one is topic sentence, then there is a supporting sentence that support the topic sentence. In previous sentences all the sentences support the topic sentence, but here you can see the difference that there is a topic sentence and there is a supporting sentence for this topic sentence. Now the supporting sentence is for supporting sentence and supporting sentence is for supporting sentence. First you are coming with a paragraph, you have written your topic sentence, then you wrote then you are writing a supporting sentence for this topic sentence, then you are writing two supporting sentences for this supporting sentence about the supporting sentence, but now you are coming to the 3 line or the third sentence, and now you are supporting again your topic sentence and again your topic sentence, so the order may be changed here. If a paragraph does this all, that if it announces the main idea in the topic sentence and if all the supporting sentences contribute to the reader's understanding of the main idea, we say that paragraph is unified or that it has unity. If the paragraph fails to do this, we say that it lacks unity. Okay, the important tips that we all are unexperienced writers. If we need to experience the writing, or if we are practicing and if we are not skillful writing, that what are the tips that can be helpful for us to develop good paragraph? Some methods that can make sure your paragraph is well developed. Okay, what are these methods? Use examples and illustrations. About your topic, if you know any example of any illustration by anything, you have to use that to make your paragraph. State data, facts, evidences, or any other details you know about your topic. These are very specific things. If you know the proper information about anything, that you can state or cite those data. And if you are not sure about that information, you don't need to mention those things. Find quotes and paragraphs. For this second point, cite data, facts, evidences. Normally, all the students are practicing the things that they are quoting hadith, they are quoting the verses from the Holy Quran, but they are not sure about those things. They are quoting the figures and the facts, but they are not sure about that. So, if you are not sure about anything, there is no need to use those things. There are no need to give those references that you don't know about. Find quotes and paraphrases that what other people say about the topic. If you are practicing your writing, that look at other people, that how they are looking at this topic, what are the quotes they are using, how they paraphrases the topic, how they are given explanation of this topic. So you can use those for information as well. Use any anecdote or story. If you know any story about your topic, you can state those stories as well. Define terms in the paragraph. If there is a terminology in the paragraph that is familiar for you, but your reader is not familiar with that terminology, so you need to explain those things. In this, you can include the abbreviations. You need to open those abbreviations for your readers, and any terms that is not the common use terms, so you need to explain those terms for your readers. Compare and contrast. For your ideas, for your writing pieces, you need to compare and contrast of the information, that how it had been and how it is now. Evaluate causes and reasons. If you are coming across a topic, you need to evaluate the causes and the reasons of that problem if you are stating any problem in your writing. Examine effects and consequences. And if you are writing something about any topic, you have to look over the effects and consequences of that problem. Analyze the topic. You have to analyze, think over the topic again and again, then you can come with ideas to write about and describe the topic. First of all, the very important thing in your beginning paragraph, that you need to describe the topic, that about what you are writing, and always choose a chronological order. For example, you are given things, you always need a chronological order of information. If you are giving information of 2020, and if you are giving of information in 90s, so the order should be logical. For example, you are giving the information of 90s and 90s, so you should choose the chronological way, that first of all 1990, then 1991, then 1992, but it should not be jumble one. Hope this will help you in writing skills. So use all these skills and practice over and over, and practice makes a man perfect. Then you will be able to write a good paragraph.